Hi guys, today I will show you how to cook a stir-fry minced pork with lemongrass. This dish is not only healthy and delicious, it's also very easy to prepare. Yeah, let's see what ingredient you will need for this dish and which brand that I use. To cut the lemongrass, you must remove the tough outer leaves and also the lower bulb. We need to chop this very fine because you don't want any big chunks of the lemongrass when you eat. Also, remove the upper stalks because it has no taste and smell, so we don't use it. Tear the lime leaves and remove the stem because it's too hard and impossible to chew. Chop the garlic very fine as I do in the video. Cut the chili in rough chunks. This doesn't need to be chopped finely because we don't want more spicy. If you don't want any spiciness, you can leave out the chili. We now stack and roll the lime leaves and slice them very thin. For decoration the plate later. And chili can cut into pieces of 2 cm. Okay, let's start cooking. First, add 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any kind of oil, is fine. Add chili and garlic. Stir well until getting smell and the garlic changing color a bit. Add minced pork and stir until it's cooked halfway. After that, add sugar, fish sauce, and oyster sauce. Stir well and wait until everything is cooked. Lastly, add lime leaves and lemongrass. They are always added at last because it gives a good smell, and if you add it at the beginning, the smell will be gone. Mix well once again and turn off the heat. There you have it. I'm decorating with lime leaf and chili on the top. In Thailand, we eat it as a side dish with fragrant jasmine rice. Now you know how to cook this dish, so I hope you enjoy and like the taste of lemongrass and lime leaves as much as I do. And thank you for watching.